In this video, I'm going to talk about such a good AI SaaS tool with the help of you can easily manage your leads with the different information under the spreadsheet view. You can easily create the workflow automation. There's the multiple apps you can connect and get the data, and then after that you can automate that data. We have the AI agents available for the different tasks, whether you want to onboard your clients, you want to create the LinkedIn post or the tweets, or you want to write the professional email writers. And best part, it can even identify your identical customer profiles and even do the lead generation. So with the help of these AI agents, you can easily do that. And another great part, you can create the email campaigns here with all the data we have set up right now. So this is the Swipeone from the same team who have created the swipe pages. So right now it is available, recently listed on the app Sumo, starting from the just $59 one-time payment. And if you don't know, this is the same team who has launched and developed the swipe pages, one of the best landing page created with the minutes and the self-hosting you can find on the planet here. This is the really fast landing page, you can get it here. And there's so many great things also I am going to talk about in this feature video here. So let's get started. So guys, if you want to check it out, this deal, the link will be given in the description. And if I talk about with the help of this AI SaaS tool, what the things you can do, you can easily manage your client relationship, you can automate your marketing tasks, you can create the AI agents for the different tasks, or even you can launch the email campaigns here. So basically this is something like a tool with the help of you can scale and grow your business in one dashboard here. Okay, and the best part, what you will like here, it's easy to use and easy to operate user interface. With a simple click you can get switched to the different features and the sections we have available, and you can easily manage your data under the one dashboard. And this data you can interconnect with all these apps available to ready to connect with this single click here. So if I talk about its pricing, let me go to the pricing section. It is starting from the $59, where you will get the limits. Okay, so in the tier 1 plan you have the limits for the 2500 people and the 25,000 emails you can send out. There's the credits limit, and there are also some features limit like the A/B testing and the sales email sequences you can create. But if you go with the tier 2 or the higher plans, these limits you are going to be the removed, plus you will also get the higher limits in the contacts and emails or the AI credits here. Okay, so what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 or the higher plans if you are capable. So if you want to check it out this deal, the link will be given in the description. And after this 7 days, the pricing is going to be the slightly increased, something like it will be the around $69 for tier 1. So this is the right chance if you want to check it out, this kind of the tool for your business to manage everything, whether it's your automations, lead generation, or the sending out the emails. This tool from a quite capable developed team behind that, you can get it right now. So now let me get you an overview demo of the features for the Swipeone. So once you got the deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in. So here's, if you have already some contacts or the lead information available, you can easily add them here. So simply click here on the add contacts, and after that it will ask you to upload a new contact if you have the single contact, or you can just upload your CSV file. And after that your contact data in the spreadsheet view looks like something like this, with the full name, email, phone numbers, tags, website. So these are the different categories and the parameters. So right now you can see there's this edit view option available. So some of the data right now you can see is the crossed here. So if I go to the edit view, I can just make them the enable or disable or untick here, and then they have also some these properties available, like I want to add them with the lead information. And still, if you want to disable or untick them, they will be the removed or disappear from your spreadsheet view. You can also drag and drop these spreadsheet according to your preference. And if you want to add a new monitoring property, you can easily add it from here. So this is the lead section or your contact section, easily managed, and the monitoring in a spreadsheet view here. Then we have the workflow automation builder, and believe me, this is the really powerful. With so much limited access, still it has the so many capabilities. So let me show you how you can create a workflow. It is basically the same kind we create in the Zapier or any workflow automation builder. Let me name it here. So I will going to name it after after order flow. Okay, so after the name, let me click here on the workflow. Okay, so this is the workflow we have created, and now its workflow drag and drop builder will be the creator. So it has this some things available. Let me give you the walkthrough. Like first we have to add a trigger, then after that we have to add the action, and then we have this condition option also available. So these are the three main core properties to creating any workflow. Okay, so let's get started with a trigger. So I want to add the segment here. So simply this is the segment, you have to drag and drop, and after that click here to setup. So segment will be the any segment. Okay, then save changes. Now what will be the your action? So we have to go to the action. I want to add a wait. This is the time delay. Then after that let me click here on the again to set up it. So I want to make it a delay for the few minutes. Let's make it the 5 minutes. Save, and now simply you have to drag it here, and now it's connected. Super easy to connect here. Okay, now after the wait I want to send out a email here. Okay, so then we have this is that the sales email I want to send out, or I can send out the notification email here. Okay, it can be also marketing email. So let's go to the notification email, click here on the setup, and after that it is going to ask you what will be the your notification email, your audience. You can select it from here. Okay, and once your email is done, click on the save, and it is done. Now let me connect it here. Super easy to connect. Then after that I also want to send out a notification on the Slack. So simply drag and drop this Slack notification, connect it here, and if you want to set up, click here. Then you can connect your Slack account and set up the things you want to do it. Okay, so that's the way you are going to create your workflow automation. Pretty much easy. And right now they have also the other options available from their different features like AI agents, leads finder, search and scrape, and there's the professional email writer with the help of AI that is going to generate the emails for you. So right now these connectivities is still in the development mode and in the coming soon tag here. So in the upcoming few weeks or the days we can also access these features as well here. Okay, so this is the workflow builder, pretty much easy to create and the setup. Now we have the app sections available where we can find out tons of great apps to interconnect with our dashboard. First one we have the swipe pages. This is the same tool that is developed by, again I want to talk about the same team here. Okay, then we have the webhook available, we have the Shopify. If you have the products for the e-commerce, you can interconnect your products information or the data, or want to send out the emails depending on your different purchases or actions by the customers. You can do that. We have the e-commerce available, we have the Chargebee, we have the Slack, we have the Stripe, we have this paper form, we have also a Zapier connectivity available. That is pretty good. Then we have the Recon connectivity also available, that is going to help you to verify your emails here. So if you don't know and want to get information more on the Rion, I suggest this is the tool. You can get it on the lifetime deal, and there's also a detailed video on my channel here. So with the help of Rion email verifier, whatever the contacts you are going to add, you want to also check whether their emails are the genuine or not. So you can do that with the Rion, and let me tell you, this single action is going to decrease your bounce rate and going to improve your authority in the sending out emails and make your emails more authoritative to landing in the inboxes. So with the help of email verifier you can do that. So this is the good tool, and its connectivity is also available on this Swipeone here. Then we have the Calendly available, we have this tally option available, we have the different Soho forms or the forms, other kind of the applications available here. So we can connect and we can also use these apps in the workflow as well. Then we have the AI agents available. This is my favorite part, because we have the different AI agents or the assistants or the whatever you want to call it as the co-pilot, you can also call them. Okay, so we can create to onboard our clients, we can create for the email campaign creator, we can also set up for the writing out for our LinkedIn post, we can set up for the finding out what are the best profiles or the customers here we have. Okay, so right now we have only the 8 AI agents available, but what I believe here in the future we can see more. So what I suggest, right now these 8 are also going to help you a lot, but in future we will see more here. Then we have the campaign section available. where you are going to start launching and sending out your email campaigns. Okay, so I have created a demo campaign, that is the broadcast. If you want to create your own campaign, you have to simply click here on the create new campaign, and once the campaign is created, it's going to ask you the your name. Then after that, it will also ask you to connect your custom domain. So let's click here on the custom domain. Okay, and after that, it will simply ask you to add your domain name, and after using the SMTP way or the some ways, you are easily going to connect here. That is pretty much easy task. So we are in the settings. So let me also talk about other options as well that is available here. That if you want to add your team members, from this section you can add them here. Then we have the email health option available. This is the really good indication option that is going to tell you what is the health score about your domain that we have recently connected. From this domain section, it is going to tell you the bounce rate, the complaint rate, and if your health is pretty much low, what I suggest, connect the another domain, and after that slowly increase their health. Okay, so to increasing the health, what I suggest, you need to connect with the email verification tool. So simply get the Swipeone email verifier. If you want a detailed video, just search out on my YouTube channel, you will find that. And after that, you have to simply add the API key here, and boom, everything is done on the automation. Okay, so I have showed you all these steps and the major features in the Swipeone, how you can add your leads here to getting or creating your workflows and using the agents here. And we have the multiple apps to connect and their data for the managing under the one hood. So Swipeone is really a good tool to grow and scale your business with the different tools under the one hood. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. So if you want to check it out, this deal, the link will be given in the description, and if you get within these 7 days, you will get it from this $59 pricing started here. So that's all for today's video, and I also want to tell you that this deal is only for the Plus exclusive. If you have the Plus membership from the app Sumo, you can get it with this same pricing, but 10% extra discount. That is the benefit of the Plus membership here. So that's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you have any question, let me know in the comments.